In this brief demonstration, I will show you how we can manage a security incident with attachments and define system properties for attachments based on role. Attachments can be used to log different types of data and add additional reference or evidence to support your security case. In this example, we have an affected user. We've identified the asset, and we've also taken note that this has been sourced through our network firewall. A rogue website has been detected, and we need to add additional evidence and information to the security case. We're going to go ahead and manage our attachments by clicking the paperclip icon. Notice I have the option to choose a file, but I also have the additional option to encrypt the attachment. As common security practice, it's always recommended to encrypt any file that's being attached to a security incident. By default, ServiceNow is leveraging AES 128-bit encryption, which can be configured to AES 256. Click Encrypt, and then choose your file. Now that the file has been successfully added, we can also see by an indicator lock that this file has also been encrypted. In addition, if we need to reference the security incident in the future, we can simply click on the file, and you'll notice that it downloads the file locally. We can also manage these attachments and remove them from the security incident. In addition, you'll notice that anytime an attachment has been uploaded, my work notes and all of the historical information has been captured. Now, we want to set an explicit rule that only allows an administrator to create attachments. In this case, we want to go ahead and hide this paperclip icon for an end user who should not have access to add attachments to the security incident. We can do this by configuring the system properties on how attachments are handled. First, we'll need to be logged in as an admin, and then elevate our roles with the security admin role, as shown here. Now that I've elevated my roles, on the left-hand side in the application navigator, we're going to filter for system properties. Navigate down to security and locate the attachment limits and behavior. Now you'll notice the list of roles that can create attachments. This type of behavior can be set explicitly and separated by commas to add additional roles that will have explicit access to create attachments for incidents. In this case, I've already set my admin. So I'm going to go ahead and save the changes. Now that my changes have been saved, I'm going to go ahead and impersonate our test user to see that the changes have taken place. We're going to go ahead and select Lou. Now that we've navigated to our test account, we're going to access that security incident that we just created. And when I access that security account, and I go into the incident, notice now the paperclip icon no longer appears.